Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series DS4 diesel gauge set. It's available in a black face with a clear lens, a black face with a tinted lens, and a white face with a clear lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm analog 60 PSI Boost Gauge with a color change button on the front, a 52mm analog 1500 degree exhaust gas temperature gauge with a color change button on the front, a 52mm analog transmission temperature gauge with a color change button on the front, and a 52mm analog 100 PSI fuel pressure gauge with a color change button on the front. Also included in the packaging, a 9-foot nylon boost line with compression fittings, a 3-foot exhaust temperature probe with a waterproof connector, a 6-foot exhaust temperature probe harness with a waterproof connector, a transmission temperature sensor with bullet-style connectors, a 3-foot sensor and power harness for your transmission temperature gauge, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a fuel pressure sensor, 2 3-foot power harnesses, mounting brackets and hardware, gauge visors for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.